Hello friends, how are you doing today? As you see, we have drawn a big circle here. So we're going to draw emotions today. So this emotion will be look like that the guy is surprised. So the emotion is to be surprised. Let's draw a smaller circle here and the smaller circle here to outline the eyes, and we can draw the eyebrow on top of it. Because the guy is surprised, so we are going to draw a smaller circle here for the lips. Let's uh, darken darken this part with the pencil. So the whole circular part is going to be the solid darker. All right, so the guy is surprised. Let's make the eyes darker too, and the eyebrow and the outlines. Let's put a thicker shades. We can make the lines thicker here. All right, now you see we are going to put the yellow color for all over the circle here, and let's start. As you know, when you put the color in the drawing, we always try to make it a uniform one. At least we are going to try our best to make all the drawings in uniform in shades. The thing is that if you like to draw more perfect, the more you practice, the more you do the drawings again and again, the more perfect your drawing is going to be. For the nice outlook, we put the outlines and the border part. Really nice and steady sketch. The yellow sketch, the color, it's going to be the uniform as you see here. We're trying our best. All right, so it's little deeper around the eyes here. As you can see, few shades here. We need more few shades. Some white space here are left behind. Let's put more yellow. Fill up all the vacancy. As you know, this is a pencil drawing, so maybe it's not the whole uniform shades, but we're trying our best to make it a nice one. Okay, so all the yellow part is done, and the eye is thick, and the guy looks surprised. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video, and thanks for watching. Do your practice. Have a nice day.